what's up guys, I'm 7Beats, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Brazil funk beat. So I'm going to create this beat with my sample pack. The link will be in the description, make sure to check it out, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm going to create a melody by using a flute. This flute from Heat Up 3 really fits the Brazil funk style. So make sure you adjust the tempo to 130. Just a really basic melody. I'm just going to leave this really repetitive, but I'm going to switch up this melody. So I'm just going to create a second one. And I think this should really sound awesome. Maybe just duplicate this rhythm right here, or these notes. Just really basic, but I think sounds really awesome. And right now we're going to use some really awesome sounds from my sample pack, which is a collab with High Tower Sounds. So I just dragged in some of the loops. I don't like this snare right here, so I'm just going to duplicate this one. So the second bar. Sounds really awesome, and I'm going to add an 808. So we will start at B. So I think this note is way too low, so I'm going to count just 5 notes up. Turn up the volume a little bit. And I'm just going to follow the notes up right here. So this one, this one. So as you can see, I'm just following the scale. And maybe just add some 1/3 notes right here. So this part. And you can do this by just selecting this magnet right here and selecting 1/3 step. So like this, and just copy it also right here. So I think this already sounds really awesome, and I'm going to create an arrangement, mix this beat, and guide you to that project. So I've almost finished this beat, and I'm just going to start the intro. So this is basically the second melody we made. going to show you how I've made all these elements. So as you can hear, I've used the second melody in the intro and I've added this key, just a really low key, which I think really adds a dark vibe to this beat. And then I've used a part of the 808 pattern. And I've used this effect, it's just a tone with a lot of reverb. This clap or snap, also with a lot of reverb. And right here I've combined the vocal loop and the conga loop. I think this sounds really awesome. So this is the part where all the drums are coming in. And right here I've added another vocal loop. Just to add some more rhythm. And just use the part of the beatbox vocal loop. And right here where the beatbox vocal loop is coming in. Which sounds really awesome. And right here the effects and the first melody is playing again. So right here I've used the 808 and just use a slide note to make it pitch down one semitone. So which sounds really awesome right here. Really goes really well together with the tone with a lot of reverb. And this is basically the same, but right here I have the added vocal loop right here, but I've made a little adjustment right here. So I've basically just cut out the 808, so there should be an 808, but I think that's really awesome. Just to keep the beat really interesting. And right here I just cut out the beatbox and the drums, so only the conga. And right here the intro melody is coming in again. Vocal loop. And the beat is just really repeating. That's basically the whole project, so make sure to check out my new Brazil Funk sample pack, the link is in the description. The samples which I use in this project are also in this sample pack. Let me know what you want to see in one of my next videos and see you guys in the next tutorial.